Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, October 24, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. A bit tired from yesterday's meeting, you?
I'm okay. This week feels long already. But coffee makes it better. Did you see the news this week?
Yes, a little. Which one?
The one about EU and US trade rules. From the Wall Street Journal. They talk about new rules on tech exports to Europe.
Oh, right. I read that. EU wants to check US tech more. It could slow down shipments.
Exactly. They say it's for fair trade. But prices for computers and software go up. Our sales team feels it.
True. Businesses in Europe pay more now. Experts worry about a big trade fight.
Yeah, it's controversial. US companies push back. They call it unfair. What do you think for our projects?
It affects supply chains. We order parts from US suppliers. Delays mean late meetings.
Spot on. I had a client call yesterday. They ask about price changes. It's tricky to explain.
I understand. Project managers like me plan budgets. This news makes us adjust.
For sure. Anyway, how's your coffee? Mine is too hot today.
It's okay, not bad. Speaking of work, my project uses some US tech. We watch this closely.
Smart. Hey, enough about trade for now. Did you hear the tech news from California?
The AI privacy law from CNN, right?
Yes. New rules say companies ask permission for personal data in AI. Tech firms complain a lot.
They do. The law protects users, but it costs time and money to follow.
Right. AI helps sales reports. Now we check data rules first. It's a new step.
In my team, we use AI for planning. This law means more training sessions.
Huh? More meetings? We have enough already.
True. But privacy is important. People worry about their info online.
I agree. Customers trust us more if we follow rules. Good for business long term.
Yes, California leads on this. Other states might copy soon.
Probably. It changes how we sell software. No quick fixes anymore.
Exactly. We talk about it in our daily stand-ups.
Stand-ups are short, but this topic grows. Okay, lighter news now. You like movies?
Yes, I do. Why?
The streaming service price increase. USA Today covered it. Prices up by $5 a month.
Oh, that one. Because of deals with stars and new shows. People are upset.
Totally? I watch after work. Now it's more expensive. Families complain online.
Society feels it. Entertainment costs rise with everything else.
Yeah. Companies say they need money for good content, but viewers switch services.
Some do. I share accounts with friends. It saves cash.
Good idea. Me too. This news sparks debates on social media.
It does. Culture changes. We spend more time on phones anyway.
Phones and streaming, work from home blurs lines sometimes.
True, but it's fun to discuss. Relaxes us before the day.
For sure. Back to work stuff. Your project deadline is soon?
Next week, busy days ahead.
Mine too. Sales calls all afternoon.
Good luck. We need those deals.
Thanks. You two on the project.
Appreciate it. This coffee break helps start the day right.
Always does. See any other news?
Not really. Trade AI and streaming cover it.
Yeah, world moves fast. We keep up at work.
We do. Time to go. Meeting in 10 minutes.
Okay, have a good day, Alex.
You too, David. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.